I would like to give thanks to my beautiful wife for ride or die. Where are we at today?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. Yes, he was in the background, and we just out here to get these car parts, early in the morning to avoid that shipping. If you can get it in person, do so. Gotta go. Classic industry. That part. This is where we at. Rebody of the 6.4 Impala. It's under construction, as y'all can see. We've put new floor pans in, inner rocker supports, underneath the seat pan, underneath the back, both inner fender wells up in here. Yeah. Trunk pan, back lights pan. So yeah, it's been extensive work done here. Well, it's off to the powder coat and get this frame hit up. Sandblasting for you, my baby. Yeah, that part. I'm telling you, this can be stressful.